found you on YouTube and I'm looking for answers. I recently installed a 16 by 36 steel wall pool this summer. I am from Pittsburgh. I'm getting water bubbles behind my liner and walls at the top, about 6 inches down from the water level. It occurs each time it rains. I do have paver borders installed, and we believe somehow the way they are installed, water is getting in from there. Have you ever heard of this? I have heard of bubbles lower near the floor, but mine are higher. Any suggestions would be great. And there's a couple of photos that accompany this.
So I would guess, just by looking at what I'm seeing here, is this is certainly water that is shedding off of the house, likely, and if there's gutters that aren't being deflected, and it's running literally underneath the patio, between the patio, in the sand layer below the patio, and running directly to the pool and building up around the top. It could very well be that the backfill material is nice and compacted behind the wall down low, so the water's not working its way down and then into the pool. And likely, if so much water is building up behind the wall up high, I could see it conceivably pulling and pushing the liner in right at the top. And if it's only when it's raining, then that would indicate groundwater, or there's still a possibility if it's raining, you're getting saturated water. This could be a problem in your plumbing. A return line's cracked, it's pushing water in up around that top section. That could be a possibility as well, and you only really notice it when it's raining because that water has nowhere else to go. So that would lead to, if you have water loss during the rest of the year when it's not raining, then it could be a leak in a pipe. If not, this has everything to do with the groundwater being saturated close to the surface, and you need to shed it away. Whether you put some type of drains on the outside of the patio, we've got to have something in there, and I would imagine pretty deep. If you dug a channel shovel wide by 18 inches deep or more all the way around that outside edge and put in drain pipe and stone, you'd be able to collect that water. But it's not going to be a simple project to fix. There's a lot going on here, and it's, like I said, it's likely to be that groundwater.